Ingredients for the marination of the rotisserie chicken: 1 tablespoon canola oil or melted butter, ginger garlic paste or just the garlic powder, oregano leaves, pinch of salt, black pepper, lemon or lime juice, and the twine to tie the chicken.
We got the chicken ready. There we go. Tied it. So you want to start with this first?
Okay. And what's this?
And this is oregano. Salty one.
Black pepper powder, garlic paste, half teaspoon on one side and half teaspoon on the other. Okay. So we are going to cover it and marinate the chicken overnight, and tomorrow we'll show how the rotisserie function of the new toaster oven works and share the results with you guys. Dear friends, have a look. The chicken which we marinated last night is in the oven on the rotisserie mode, and I have timed it for 60 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have to wait for an hour. Is ready, and we are here with the rotisserie tool. Perfecto. Look at the color. Okay, and it's well done. I love this toaster oven, and we're gonna enjoy it as a part of our Valentine dinner tonight. And also, all of you have a great Valentine weekend. Stay warm, stay safe, and share and like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.